Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about the continuation of automation. In the previous video, we talked about IFTTT. Now, we are going to talk about ZAPIER. Uh, ZAPIER is also an automation website that gives free recipes to help us do certain virtual tasks. Okay, so now let's talk about the dashboard of the ZAPIER. Look this. You can see the dashboard, apps, my apps, talk, task history, explore, etc. So all you need to do is sign up with ZAPIER.com. You just need your Facebook or your email to sign up with them. So I already have my ZAPIER account. So let's talk about making a recipe or a zap with ZAPIER. So let's try exploring this ZAPIER. You could use any certain apps that could potentially help you doing such virtual tests. You could connect this with your Google accounts, Facebook accounts, Instagram accounts. Also, you can connect it with your phones, your Android devices, iOS devices, etc. So let's try doing a Facebook zap. Okay. So first we need to search Facebook and let's try Facebook pages. Okay. So so now this is an overview of what would Zap will do with Facebook pages. So like this, it's an overview with Facebook. And now all you need to do is to connect to 2000 apps, which is so many apps or softwares that Zap is partnered. WordPress, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Sheets, YouTube, etc. So let's connect it. Excuse me. So now we will try to um, do a certain task with Zap. So first, let's name it. Um, Peace at BZap. Okay. So let's try this. The um. Okay, let's try this. New post by you. So let's continue. So we need to sign in to our Facebook pages. It will take a while. So let's continue. So let's go with Rear Gaming. So we used this last time. Now we are using it again. So let's click done. So let's click done again. So okay, it's been linked now. We are going back to okay. So let's continue. So let's choose Rear Gaming again. Okay. So let's continue again. So let's test the trigger. So we still don't have any posts from our page. So let's post something. So so let's try Hello World again. If you're a programmer, you would really relate to this term. Okay, so let's post. So what would happen? So let's test trigger. So yes, this is a newly post from my page. This is the URL, this is the Facebook name, and this is the message that we posted. Okay, so let's continue. So let's do this. Choose an app. So we would try to post it on a Google form. What message that we posted on on our Facebook page. So let's try Google Sheet, I guess, or go. Let's try Google Forms. So let's create a new row in this. Or let's try create worksheet. So this is prompt 2. So we are bound to changes. So let's sign in to Google Sheets. I'm going to be honest with you, this is more harder to do than the IFTTT. It's very long. So let's sign in with Google. So now we need to allow ZAPIER to our Google account. Okay. So guys, this is pretty safe. So no need to worry. So need to sign in again. Let's allow it again. Yes. Let's continue. So let's choose a value. So my Google Drive. Let's choose. So we don't have any. So let's try our product research. So let's try this. The hello word, which is posted the last time, and try it again. Put in the value. Type the insert hello world again. Hello world and people. Okay. So that's it. Don't need that. So we need to override it. It's true. Let's continue. So let's test it to continue. So it's done. We need to turn it on. Okay. So let's see the product research. Let's see if it's added from our yep, it's been added for a new sheet. So guys, thank you for watching, and as always, click the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Ciao.